Okay, this is gonna be my quick first-person review of the Jupio Tri-Charge by Peter Lindgren. Yes, that's his name. You can have 3 batteries on this. I only have 2 right now because the third one is on my face because, you know, I'm wearing this first-person rig. As you can see, this thing is really well built. When you put the batteries in, you have a button here on the side and you can check how much battery you have on each of the batteries. And it seems like they are full. The one battery that is not full is actually in my camera right now. I put the wrong battery in my camera and I only have 14% charge. Cool thing, you can put SD cards in here and micro SDs. And you can even put some CF Express Type A cards, but those things are so freaking expensive that I don't have any. I think this is like serves as a power bank. I never used it actually, but yeah, if you have the batteries in here, I guess you can just test it out. I need a cable, random cable. Actually, you're just gonna use the cable that came with it. All right, let's see. USB pass-through on my phone. My phone is super old. Do I have to press something? Oh shit, that's it. Wow, it actually works. Okay, that's it. If you have at least one battery there, you can use this as a power bank. It's super cool. I haven't used that yet. Well, I knew about it, I just haven't had the necessity to use it, so I didn't, but it's cool that I tested it for this review. But yeah, that's it. Super cool. If you want to charge it, you use the other port and you connect it to a USB-C port and it just starts charging. Yeah, you see the indicators there. That's how long it'll take. You know, it's at 2. I think this one has a bit more, but it usually takes a few seconds for it to actually give you the real reading, and then we'll just start. Yeah, this one is at 3 and this one is actually at 2. I think it takes probably about 3 hours to charge all batteries. If you only have one, it's faster. If you have 2, it takes a bit longer. Yeah, super cool gadget. I was really glad to get this because all the other chargers that were around, they weren't as sleek as this one. This one is really cool because it just reminds me of the DJI batteries. I love that we finally have something like those DJI chargers that we can use on cameras. And yeah, this thing is available for Sony cameras. I saw that you can have this for Canon, for Fujifilm, and I think for Nikon as well. This is probably the best charger you can buy. There's only one thing. A lot of people think these things are card readers. Unfortunately, it's not. It'd be really cool if they came out with a second version with a card reader, and that's all I want them to do. Second version card reader. Other than that, I love it. I do not want this to have a battery inside. Some people say, oh, it'd be cool if you would have a battery. I don't like it. I don't like things with internal batteries. I want to have as little things with internal batteries as possible, and also it would just be super heavy for no reason. I really would not like this to have a battery. Just a memory card reader, a high-speed memory card reader, and this would be the gold standard. It already kind of is the gold standard, but if you can put a memory card in here, I would love that. Because yeah, it's really cool that you can just bring less stuff, because you know, with this, I don't have to bring card storage in my bag, so you can have just like a 2-in-1 thing. Everything is in here, everything is compact, and I love it. So hope there's a second version of this with the cards. Otherwise, you should just have this. It's just that good. That's it for this review. Bye.